Hello everyone, hope you are doing well, hope you are fine. Today we will talk about how to install fonts in your computer or laptop. Very easy way. First you have to do go to your browser, Google Chrome, Opera, any. Here we go, Google uh, stylish signature font, search signature font, free download. Now you can see signature font. Here you can see font, and here we can download font. Yes, it's done. Go to your folder, zip, open, copy, paste on your desktop. Hit click on right click. You can see install. I will zoom. Here you can see install. Just hit click on install. It will install. Let's go to Word and see if it install or not. Black document. We will type hello. Size 48, 72. Here in font section we can search orthography. Here we go. You can see it's installed. Orthography font. Here is the name orthography. Where my mouse cursor you can see, and here orthography. It's done. Hope this video will be useful. Take care. Thank you. Bye.